New income stream has allowed beginners to make passive money. It's super simple and beginners can do it. And if beginners can do it, so can you. That's right, after setting up in the right way, you can earn without doing anything else. In this video, I will show you guys how you can earn a lot of money with this income stream. Now, literally anyone can set up this income stream. You don't need to make any videos of yourself, you don't need any social media following, and you don't actually need any social media profile. Now, just like almost all the other methods that we post on EarnPal, this method is 100% free, so you don't have to pay any money, you don't have to invest in stocks, you don't have to do anything at all. Also, this method works worldwide, so you do not have to go through the trouble of setting up a VPN, and for the payment methods, it's not only PayPal, because some countries have difficulties with PayPal. This method will work no matter where you are from. In this video, I will give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how you can guys set up this awesome income stream, so make sure to watch every second of this video because I will drop some secret tips and tricks at the end of the video that you can use with this method today to maybe double or even triple your online income. But before we start, hello guys and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first one to be notified. Please also give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay. So the website that we're going to use today is called Proof. If you don't already know what Proof is an online server that you can use to boost your website conversion. If you ever had any experience in owning or maintaining a website, you know how important it is to get customers to stay on and actually use your website, so having your website boosted to increase your conversions would be really great for your website. Now wait, you might be thinking that you will need a website to make this passive income stream work, but you don't actually need one. In fact, we aren't even going to use this website's services, so you don't have to worry about paying anything upfront. As I said earlier, this is 100% free, and it's also great for beginners because this method does not require any past experience. All you need to do is follow the tutorial in this video and it will work 100%. Now, I'm going to show you guys how you can earn from this website in 3 easy steps. Now, I recommend that you follow along every step together with the video. You can simply watch the part of the video, pause the video, and then go do what the video just did. Once you are done with the step, you can continue watching the video and repeat the process for the other steps. So for step number 1 in setting up this income stream, we're going to have to register an account. But we aren't going to set up a normal account. There's no way you can earn from this website if you just sign up with a normal account. For you to earn from this website, you will have to register for a partner program account. To do that, you'll first go to the Proof homepage. When you're on the homepage, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page under the company. Click on Partners. This will take you to the website partner program. Now, this partner program is how we are going to earn money from this website. Here you can see that with this partner program, you will be able to earn up to 30% of every sale made. This is one of the reasons that I would recommend this website's partnership program. 30% is a huge commission compared to other websites. Most websites only give 5 to 10% commission, and that's good and all, but 30% is way bigger. That would mean that you would be earning a lot more money. So for example, there's one customer that spent like $100, then you'll be ending up earning $30 in commission from just one transaction. Another great thing about this program is that commissions last for a lifetime. So this means that you get to earn your money from this website for as long as you want. Now, to register your account, click on the Join button. Here you'll be asked for some information such as your name, your email address, some basic stuff like that. So pause the video here and just fill in the necessary information and come back when you are done. Once you are done filling the information, check the box for the terms and conditions and hit the Get Started button. Congratulations, you have successfully registered an account and are ready to move to the next step. Step number 2 is to get your unique referral link. To get your own referral link, all you need to do is go to your own dashboard. To gain access to your dashboard, you need to log in. So log into your account that we just made. That will take you to your dashboard. Once you have the dashboard open, you can simply scroll down, and here you can see that I got my unique referral link. Now you might be wondering, why would we need this link? Now if I'm being honest, this link is the most important component in setting up this whole income stream. So make sure you copy every part of the link. I say that the link is the most important part of the system because that will tell the website that you are the one who promoted the link. You can send it to people through email, you can post it on social media, you can even make a YouTube video and leave a link in the description box. These are all great ways that you can use to share your link. But I have a method that could help you double the chance that people will use your link. So stick around until the end of the video and I'll show you exactly how you can get traffic for your link. Once you have shared the link, you can then move on to step number 3, which is to get rewarded. The website is going to reward you 30% commission on every sale that you made at the end of the month. Your earnings will be calculated by then, and then it will be available for you to withdraw via PayPal, Stripe, and other payment methods depending on your country. Now, if you don't have a PayPal or Stripe, do not worry, the website also offers a lot of other forms of payments. In fact, comment down below and tell me what are the payments that are available in your country, because I see that a lot of people have trouble setting up PayPal. Who knows, maybe you might find another payment method used by other people that would suit you best, or something that you would like to try. And that's basically it, but as I promised, I will share with you a method or a tip that will help you increase the likelihood that people will use your link. Wait, before we continue this video, I would like to tell you guys that we post more videos on how to make money online every single day. The goal of our channel, EarnPal, is to help you guys set up an income stream or a passive income stream that will help you get a lot of money from the internet. I put a lot of effort into these videos just to make sure that each and every one of these methods work. So I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also like and comment down below. So for this tip, you are first going to go to Google. Next, I want you to search for something like online cinematography course or online coding course. Our strategy right now is to find different website owners, preferably those who have websites that offer online courses. We want to target those owners in particular because we know that they are people who really need a lot of conversions on their websites. So, when they see a service that they can use to increase their conversions, they would most likely drive a 14-day free trial, and when that free trial expires and the website owner still wants to use this service, then they will use a payment plan and you will get your 30% commission on whatever the plan is. So again, you're going to go on to Google and search for online courses such as online cooking courses, online fitness courses, or any online courses, but for this example, I will use online cinematography course. Now, on the Google search results page, I want you to scroll down to the bottom and click on the number 3 to go to the third page of search results. The reason why you don't want to look at our first 2 pages of results is because it's mostly filled with large company websites. And that would mean that they already have large conversions, so they probably will not use your services. So what you want to look for is the small companies whose websites need to increase conversion rates. These types of websites can be found on the third search results page. So go ahead and pick a website that you would like to promote with your link. Once you have found the website that you like, open it up and scroll down to the very bottom. Usually websites often leave contact information at the bottom of their website. So if you scroll down to the bottom of their website, you should be able to find their contact information. For this website, you can see that there is a contact option under the Learn More section. If I click on that, it will take me to this page where I can contact the owners of this website. Here, I can send them a message to promote my referral link and then leave that referral link so that they can use it. Now, if the website that you choose does not have any emails or contact options, you will probably be able to find their social media accounts. You can then send a message to these accounts with the same content as a message I said earlier. All you have to do now is put in the hard work and watch as your balance keeps increasing. And that is the end of today's video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new videos, which is every day. Now, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video as always.